Let's get it in there. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm actually driving up to Eldora, which is a ski resort just west of Boulder, Colorado. Eldora is a really fun resort. It's a lot smaller than a lot of other resorts that you're gonna see people going to in Colorado, but it's very popular, especially for like college students, because like I said, it's just directly west of Boulder. So I'm just gonna go up there today, get a couple good runs in, and have a good afternoon with the boys. So I'm almost at the base of the mountain right now, but planning going ahead. Gonna see if I can meet up with the boys, otherwise just gonna go on the main lift here and catch a warm-up run. But it's not as overcast as I thought. There's actually quite a bit of blue skies showing through the clouds right now, so we may get lucky. It was supposed to be a total cloud out day today, but if any of the sun shines through, I'll take that as a bonus. But either way, we're at Eldora. Let's go have a day. So I just finished up on the front side of the resort, and I actually just took a catwalk and came back to the Corona lift here on the farthest north side of the resort. But now that I'm back here, there's a couple doubles back here that I really enjoy. There's a couple glade runs, so I'm definitely gonna check that out. For the time being, I'm just gonna keep riding, check out a couple runs back here. Let's keep having a day. So I'm over on the glade runs right now, and I think I'm actually gonna go to the West Ridge run. Haven't been here in a while this whole year, so let's see how the snow is holding up. I actually lied about that last run. I didn't go to the west slope. I actually went right below where all the double blacks were marked. That sign that I was at, right above the top of the run. That's such a fun area of the resort though, the glades. They're super tight, a lot of nice tree runs, and there's still a bunch of powder stashes still tucked away. I think I'm actually just gonna rest my legs though on this run and go to the run straight below the Corona lift. It's just a really long groomer and it's pretty fast, so I'm just gonna kind of hang around this side. Alright you guys, we've been hanging out at the Corona lift for most of our day, and it's about time to wrap it up. Looks like the fog is starting to roll in and it's actually starting to snow a little bit, which is awesome. I also hope this helped you guys out if you're thinking on coming up here in the next few weeks, or even if you're just going to plan a trip at some point. It's definitely worth the drive up, especially when it's so close to Denver. And if you guys are still tuning in, please hit that like button, it would really mean a lot. And consider subscribing to the channel if you like this and you want to see more videos like it. But I just want to thank you guys so much again for watching, and have a great rest of your day. Hey, it's the boys! Long time no see. So actually scratch that, we're not done yet. Just found the boys on Indian Peaks lift, so we're gonna hit a couple more runs. Let's go follow them for a few.
Can I get a help?
What's up boys? Brando, Richie. Let's get it in there. One, two, buckle my shoe. So right now we're in the middle of a glade run. We always end up doing the hardest runs when I'm with the group, but it's beautiful in here. It's starting to snow again. Oh, it's so nice. If we get a couple extra inches in the next few days, this is gonna be an all-timer right here. You okay? Alright guys, so we're back over at the Corona lift once again, and it's starting to snow pretty good now. Met up with the boys. Awesome to see them get a couple turns in. But yeah, this day has been a fun one in Eldora, and you can expect it to be mostly like windy and icy on most occasions, but the last few days we've gotten a ton of snow here in the Front Range, and it's made for pretty good conditions up here. We're gonna finish up with a couple runs in the glades and then go back up to the front, finish her off. But if you're still tuning in, hit that like button, and if you like this video and you want to see more like it, consider subscribing to the channel. But I just want to thank you guys again so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.